Hello guys, welcome to today's video. Are you battling with stress and anxiety? Do you seek ways to get out of that toxic state of mind? Take a deep breath and chill to the end of this video. We will be taking a walk down the solutions that will help your mental state. Let's dive in. 1. Go for a walk alone. Being physically active is essential for managing anxiety because exercise stimulates the release of endorphins, the hormones that makes us naturally feel good, and it helps to release excess energy which, if not released, will make you more anxious. Make out time to take a solo walk. Do this alone without anyone around you. This practice will help you have a deep thought and free your mind from your worries. 2. Socialize. Don't let worries isolate you from loved ones or favorite activities. Your worries may not go away on their own, and they may worsen over time if you don't seek help. See your healthcare provider or a mental health provider before your anxiety worsens. It's easier to treat if you get help early. 3. Eat healthy foods. A healthy diet that incorporates vegetables, fruits, whole grains and fish may be linked to reduced anxiety. It is also important to practice physical and mental stimulating activities such as taking a walk, listening to your favorite music and socializing with friends and family. This way, you can combat anxiety effectively. 4. Identify triggers. Learn what situations or actions cause you stress or increase your anxiety. Practice the strategies you developed with your mental health provider so you're ready to deal with anxious feelings in these situations. Kindly give a thumbs up and subscribe as we continue. 5. Watch inspiring movies. Watching inspirational movies and documentaries, or movies based on a true story, can be very uplifting and motivational to make positive changes in your mood and temperament. 6. Practice yoga. Yoga is an ancient technique that is very beneficial for managing anxiety. When anxiety makes us tensed, irritable, and inflexible, yoga helps to reverse all of that stress from our mental state. 7. Talk to someone. Talking to someone you trust about what's making you anxious could be a relief. It may be that just having someone listen to you and show they care can help in relieving the tension of anxiety. 8. Dance in your alone time. Dancing in your private space when no one is watching is a great hobby for releasing tension, stress and anxiety. Start dancing more, it is beneficial for the mental health. 9. Take a mental break. Use a guided imagery app or simply daydream on your own. A brief mental vacation can break the cycle of anxious thoughts. To try this on your own, set a timer for a few minutes, close your eyes, and picture yourself somewhere you feel peaceful or happy. This method will help you distract your mind from what's causing you stress and anxiety. 10. The last. Improve on your self-confidence. Devote your energy into your personal development. Do the things you love. Find new ways to make money and avoid toxic friends or things that bring stress and anxiety to your mental health. If you find this video helpful, leave a comment down below, share it with friends, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and turn on post notification to see more of our videos like this. Stay guarded until we meet in my next video. Bye.